key signatures that have flat signs. Let's take a look at the order of the flats. If you have one flat in a key signature, that one flat would be B flat. And the name of that key signature is F major. If we have two flats in the key signature, we're going to leave that B flat there, and we're going to add an E flat. Two flats, B flat and E flat, is the key signature of B flat major. If we add a flat for three flats, it would be A flat, and the key signature for three flats is E flat major. And I'll show how that works in just a moment. Let's get all the flats up there first. So B flat, E flat, A flat. If we have four flats, we're going to leave those three flats there, and we're just going to add a D flat. B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat. Four flats is the key signature of A flat major. If we have a key signature of five flats, we're going to leave those four there. We're going to add a G flat. G flat adding makes five flats. Five flats is the key of D flat major. B, E, A, D, G is the order of the flats. If we have six flats, we're going to leave those five there. We're going to add a C flat there and a C flat there. Six flats is the key signature of G flat major. If we have the key signature of seven flats, we're going to leave those six there, and we're going to add a flat here for the F, and yes, this one hangs down below the staff. I know it looks a little odd, but that's how it is. Seven flats is the key signature of C flat major. So the order of the flats is B, E, A, D, G, C, F. Remember the story about the sharps? The story of the sharps is Father Christmas gave Dad, an electric blanket. What happened to that blanket? Blanket explodes and Dad gets cold feet. So the order of the sharps: Father Christmas gave Dad an electric blanket. The order of the flats: blanket explodes and Dad gets cold feet. There it is right there in our circle of fifths. The order of the sharps: Father Christmas gave Dad an electric blanket. The order of the flats: blanket explodes and Dad gets cold feet.